Hello everyone, Alyssa here with the 211 Ashtabula County program. Thought it would be helpful with everything going on to do a virtual walkthrough of our resource database. So first thing, you'll see our database here is getting there. Up in the browser, you can see it's 211ashtabula.org. You can also probably search this in any of your search engines, so Google, Yahoo, all those, or again, you can just go directly to 211ashtabula.org. And it will bring you to this web page here. First, I'll go ahead and click on, there are some COVID-19, some coronavirus specific resources. When clicking on that, it's got some other helpful informational links. This one here is the Ohio Department of Health's website, CDC. There's some national resources from our national 211 website. And then scrolling down too, we've also embedded our Facebook page, our Info Roadshow, and you can see that we are trying to keep this up to date as much as we can. So if you are on Facebook, please feel free to go and like us. You can, get this here directly, or you can go to facebook.com/ashtabulainfo to find our Facebook. I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to go over here where you can see my hand here is hovered over our resource portal. I will click on that, and this is going to bring you to our resource portal on our 211ashtabula.org website. There are two ways to search. The first way is based off category. You can see these blue boxes down here that I'm hovering over: food, health, housing, so on and so forth. This is going to give you any information associated with that category. So if you're not sure where to start, this would be a good place. It's going to give you a lot of options, but again, at least if I'm looking for food, I can start here, and you've got 47 results. So you can go through and kind of continue to look. There's also some places to kind of get you a closer view. So let's say I've got 47, that's great, but I'm in Conneaut, so I only want for it to search in Conneaut, so I'll put in 44030 down there. And then what it's going to do is it's going to actually, I've still got the 47, but it's sorting by proximity to that zip code. So it's showing all of the things that are more relevant to Conneaut up here. So I'll just click on one, and it's going to give you lots of information here. But the biggest thing are these COVID-19 temporary messages. So I'll just kind of hover over this, and you can see that there is a temporary message that's telling you how they're doing things right now. I'm going to back out. So that was the first way to search, by category. Again, it's going to give you a lot of information, but if you're not sure what you're looking for, you can at least get it down to what category it's in. Second way to search is based off the search bar. Let's say still going with food. I want to look up soup kitchen. I can actually start to type in soup kitchen, and what it's going to do is it's going to already go ahead and give me a drop down of some suggestions. So let's say from here, I know I want the Geo soup kitchen, so I'll go ahead and search on that. And then it's still searching. That's what that was up there doing. It's going to give me a map too, showing me where my search result is actually at. But here's the soup kitchen. I'll click on it. You'll notice this one's a little bit prettier because it's a different way to search. The first one was the category. This one is by the actual search feature. It's going to give you a lot of information, but again, just wanted to highlight that we've got some up-to-date information here where it says the COVID-19 temporary message, and it's going to tell you how they're doing things right now based off some unusual business operations as more and more precautions are being taken. So you can see there, again, it's got a lot of great information, where this place is located, the phone number, basic eligibility. But again, right now, pay attention to these COVID-19 temporary messages. Sometimes we don't have all the updates from resources, so if anything, basically right now what we're urging people to do is to give us a call, and double check, or give those resources a call to double check, seeing as things are changing so frequently. I'm going to go ahead and go home. Last thing I wanted to say is if you can't find what you're looking for based off this website, please feel free to give us a call at 211, talk to a real life person who can kind of help you sort through some of this stuff. And then also, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit on this homepage. There's also an option here where you can type in some information and it will send to us in an email inquiry. So again, if you're not able to call or, aren't comfortable calling, is that I do believe calling is the best way to reach us and get the most accurate information. That's what our operators are there for. But if you're not able to do that, feel free to visit this website or put in some information and send to us an email inquiry so that we can get back to you. Thanks so much.